the best onion omelet I ever had. To begin our recipe, I will cut an onion into thin slices, this way. I have no doubt that this recipe will impress you. Next, I'll cut 200 grams of mozzarella into small cubes, this way I'm doing, and I'll reserve a little. Now, I will add a little olive oil in a frying pan, and soon after I will add our onion slices. I will also add a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. I'll stir until our onions get a little golden. Once you taste this recipe, I'm sure it will be part of your routine. In the sequence, I will add 7 whole eggs in our recipe. I will also add a little parsley to taste over the eggs and onion. Then I will add all our mozzarella cut into small cubes, then a tablespoon of grated Parmesan, and finally a teaspoon of paprika. I will stir well to mix all the ingredients inside our frying pan. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sakura Ortega from Indonesia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Guys, I have no doubt that you and your family will love this recipe. Do it at your house and then tell me what you think. Now I will cover our recipe and let it cook for 10 minutes. As soon as time has passed, with the help of a dish, I will turn our amazing omelet into the frying pan. I'll fix the omelet corners a little bit with the spatula. Tell me if you have any other recipe with eggs and mozzarella, I'll love to know. Finally, I will cover again for another 5 minutes so that it is well cooked on both sides. Now our recipe is ready. I doubt you've ever tasted an omelet as good as this one. See how we can make an amazing recipe with few ingredients? I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you how to make this wonderful recipe. This has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I made it. I do not stop making it and everyone here at home loves it. Every time I make this omelet, there's nothing left that's so delicious it gets. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye.